Hey travelers, welcome back to another video. Today I am joined by my family at this nature preserve, however you pronounce it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. This map shows the trail we took. I tracked a hike on all trails.
Sunflowers. Let's take pictures of those. My phone is not 2006.
We hiked 1.1 mile with a 23-foot elevation gain and spent 1 hour and 14 minutes. This hike's difficulty is easy. This park is located south of the Twin Cities, 22 minutes from Minneapolis and 31 minutes from St. Paul. The park hours are 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily.
The forbidden hot or the forbidden corn dog. Yeah, basically. Aiden, do you want a forbidden corn
Can't even
dog?
see.
Yeah, they're so delicious. You take a bite of it, you'll be like, oh man, I love all that stuff in my mouth.
Darius!
Take a bite.
No.
Aiden, don't!
No.
What is it? It's food?
The park is 75 acres of restored prairie. There is a nature trail that has 8 stops throughout the park. There are signs with the stop number and the QR reader that has video clips about the park. In the description, there's a map of where the markers are located.
Haha.
Front seat.
I mean, I got the phone forever.
If you would be so kind.
There you go.
Oh, thank you.
Guys.
You heard the honk? When you locked, did you lock it?
Yeah.
You heard the honk?
No.
Oh my God.
Oh wow.
Alright. It is my life's mission to find shade.
You need to take my thumbnail. Turtle. Multiple turtles.
You see the turtle there?
Yep, I see 2 turtles.
And the turtle there? And the turtle there? And the turtle there?
There's another turtle.
There's 1,
You see him,
a 2, a 3, a 4.
Where's the other 2? You see 4 turtles. Oh, I see the 4th another turtle.
Oh, this one's running away.
It's a
Thank you.
You can tell it hasn't moved in a while because it's got like moss and stuff growing on its shell. No, it's
Maybe.
pale.
Hopefully it's not dead.
Yeah. I don't think so. Try one and see that one.
But it's a big snapping turtle. You can see the little bubbles from it too.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
You see this?
Dang, I thought we were gonna see snapping turtle snack time.
Oh, it's moving. Keep moving. I want to see its face.
Okay, so one time when I was in zoo, I just got one of those so tiny. That was different. Like snapping
Oh, there you are.
Holy shit.
Moving off of his face.
Go ahead, dude. That was a big fish.
Oh my god, I saw his face.
You saw his face?
Look at his face.
I was getting everyone's face's reflection in the water, so I was like, I'm going to move. Oh, you see the fish right underneath the snapping turtle? And there's those two.
Yeah, I want to see the fish.
Three. There's three over
There's three over there.
I see him. They're just swimming.
Hello.
Careful. They're fast.
He can't get up here.
Why?
You can't.
Oh, oh.
Coffee is massive. Damn.
What is that thing? I guess have claws.
Yeah, they have claws.
What?
He has big ass claws. He has big meaty claws.
Yeah, he's trying to get loose.
Just scratch you right at the face.
Alright, snapping turtle's gone. Oh, you can see us.
You can see him.
Hello, video. You can see my reflection.
He's swimming. He's swimming under the dock.
Yeah, see fish? Whoa.
See him?
Aww.
Hang on.
Oh my god, I can see the people. That is cool get eaten by the snapping. So,
Yeah, his head's over here.
Snapping turtle's right there.
well. Oh, I do?
Yeah, I see his head.
Yeah, it's tiny. And so there's a belief an L.
Yep, turtles breathe there.
And in water.
He's sticking his little nose out.
So snapping turtle right there, and then there's a oh, he just went underwater. You could kind of see him. The other turtle swimming away.
Why? This snapping turtle though.
Yep, snapping turtle's still right
Are
there.
you still recording? All right.
Let me know your thoughts on this location so far in the comments. If you've been here, what was your experience like? If you haven't been here, would you like to explore this park? Please like if you're enjoying the video and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this one. Rudy Kraemer received $57,500 from the Outdoor Heritage Fund. The grant was to restore 22 acres of native prairie and wetlands that were being wiped out from invasive plants. The project started in May 2012 and finished in June 2015. Starting in 2019, the city brought goats to the park to control invasive plants. On Google, I looked up the history of the park, and the link to the website that states when the park opened is currently unavailable. I cannot find any other website that has a history of the park, so this is all the information I could find. In the description, you'll find other attractions and places to eat that are 30 minutes or less from this location, along with my socials and link to Flickr if you'd like to see the photos I took from this location. Links where I got all my information and music for this video are also there. This is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed our hike here today. And with that, I'll see you guys next Wednesday at 5 p.m. Central.